intro. First time do something here.
I thought it was kind of like an intro. Yeah. Alright, what the fuck are you looking at? Why the fuck are you looking at your exhaust?
Bro, this shit is so tight.
Bro, you're looking at the fucking exhaust. Alright, bro, the fucking motor isn't even in the back, first of all.
You work?
Yeah.
So, like, I just went the wrong way like an idiot. Don't do this at home.
Yeah. What are you looking at?
Looking at it right now?
What are you looking at? What do you mean? What are you about that? What about it, bro?
I already know about it, bro.
Show me how the fuck you do it.
No,
What the fuck are you unbolting, bro?
I don't know, bro.
Oh, yeah, man. Doesn't make it, bro. Let me loosen. Alright, bro, that he bought. Daniel like to make sure how to loosen that shit for him. Hey, shout out, Tommy. Alright, keep going. Yeah, put the fucking oil. No, put the oil pan on it, bro. Don't like it. Don't drop it, just like grab it.
That's a little bit. Me clear, right?
Fuck you. Trash can, run.
Part one down.
How the fuck was it then? Yeah, bro, try to fucking find it.
Is this I remember?
Huh?
Is this I remember?
Yes, bro.
Yeah, I don't know, bro. What did that bring?
Yeah, I had it happen. Give me the one, man. Check my filter, was it good? Yeah, I did that shit, nigga. Alright. Not too tight now, so you go like pinch the next oil change. And tight that. Alright, we don't want to do too much more time. Alright, that's fucking great. Was that right?
This.
Huh?
Yeah.
Was that right or no?
What?
Okay. Ah, fuck no. Try the 16. 16 might be too big. That's probably 15, that's like kind of normal. Damn, you missed this one? That's 15. Okay. Alright, make that shit loose. All you gotta do is break it loose and you can do my hand.
Okay.
No, bro. Yes. Don't strip it now. Keep it straight on there.
Yo, that's just as fuck, bro. Like that.
Bro, I'm gonna fucking breaks.
Bro, Tommy likes it tight.
Alright, yeah, loosen that shit.
I got really quick.
Bro, thought he was slick.
I did.
You move the fan a little closer so when it like stops like so much, it doesn't drill over. Yeah. Alright, wait, what's the next step?
I don't know, bro. I just noticed it was there.
Is something up there?
Yeah.
Alright, what are you gonna do?
I'm fucking draining it. No, this is right.
You move the fan, bro!
I did. Hey, dude, just start going this way.
Bro, idiot.
Hell fucking oil. I love you, sorry.
Yeah, bro.
Is it right now?
Yeah, you get this. Get this. Tell me what the fuck this is.
My fan. Get a little fan right here.
Alright, so what is this called?
That's what's called. What?
Axle. Alright, tell me what the fuck this is. Okay, which one?
Left arm, right?
Left arm, Mary. You tell me, bro. You put it back on? Or do you go put the oil first?
Hey, I'm gonna put it over. I won't go on, bro. Stay. We laugh.
Yeah, dude, just fucking funny, bro. Here, nigga. Down, yeah, you can do it just like a good push. Stop it, though. You're still loosening. Figure it out, bro. Oh, you figured it out. What? I do a little bit more, bro. Yeah, sure.
Your dad's gonna hate you, bro.
Go, bro, do shut it down. Alright, show me what you're gonna do up here.
Alright. Come here. Not bad.
You finna drain it?
Yeah. No, I'm gonna put it away.
What? Doesn't matter if you put it on.
Like, let it come out weird.
Hey, bro, number one rule.
What? Yeah, put it all in.
Oh, how you know that way? Hey, you put the names on back on, right?
What are you laughing about, bro?
Nothing, bro. You doing good.
Yeah, do that.
Oh shit.
What?
You actually put it on it?
Yeah.
I forgot to tell you, this is only take 4.2. But like, it don't matter, bro. You just pop up your way, which to be honest, fuck it, bro. If you want to drink a little bit, but you don't really have to, bro. Fuck it. You're just gonna run rich. Bro, it's a cat. What's up,
I have a little more.
Hey, is that oil? Is that what oil looks? That's oil. Hey, fucking fun of him.
I heard it now.
Fucking fun of. Yeah. I don't know. Show me last step.
Last step?
There's 2 steps.
Where's that? Okay, so put this on. That's it. That's how you put the shit. Put the shit. Put the shit. Where's that one? Where you go?
Where do I go? You're fucking hilarious, bro. Yeah. And that's 2 bricks, isn't it? Yeah. No, you actually really have. You got maybe 2 quarts for 3. 2.5. Don't do too much, it's just turn on sides. Get as much as you can. And then we'll get the oil rag after.
Okay.
Put the oil into the pan. And the oil you like. Bring the oil pan and the oil and the funnel. Just put it in there. And bring it. Alright, bro, just start wiping that shit. Wipe it with the big boy first. Oh my god. Bro, okay, fill the funnel to the side. Cool. Clean the pan first with that big ass. See how it absorbs it really good? As long as you get most of it, and then we're gonna go with the shop rag. Alright. Everywhere you got oil on.
It really clean.
Huh?
Like really
Yeah, Mama's washing something, things washing every night. Not a single drop spilled, and like, I did in 5 minutes. Spray some bacon in it, bro. Okay, the first you can't reach it, it'll break me.
What you laughing at?
You do a lot, bro. Hey, bro. Is this your first brake cleaner high? You're gonna take this home.
No, I've seen this shit before, I think.
Does it look pretty clean? Do the same shit with the pen. Brake clean that bitch. And then do it with the shop rag.
Yes, sir.
One to make it nice and clean, and one to just leave it dry. Tilt it over like a brake cleaner up too.
Oh, yeah, we get it.
Honestly, that's fine. Here, take the cap and go put it on the oil. I'm gonna use it anyway, to be honest, I don't even know why you cleaned it.
You told me to clean, you dickhead. Fuck.
Lucky. I don't know why I made you clean it, but I'm gonna use it with the color. Oh, yeah. How much did you have? Cool, 3 quarts. Love your car. I don't know it. It's in your stuff. It's fucking fine, bro. Oh my fucking god. You're not gonna just make my job, you disconnected. Oh, this is actually a picture. Yeah. That's actually insane. How the fuck is this holding up? Yeah, take your shit on, take your shit on. Oh, good knocks. Alright, you hear that little squeal? Oh, got that over there. Yeah, that's a good belt conditioner.
Let's go.
Just fucking spray it while it runs. Is it on anything? Good. It's like barely. Get off that. You might want to on there, but. I'm gonna put you on the OG chick. Yeah. That's it. Gotta get that angle, okay? Well, I forgot how cold it gets, but actually pressure, man. Why don't you get worse? Why does that go? Remember, don't press too hard. Just like, yeah, this line. There you go, you got it. Alright, that's it.
What's it up?
What's in it? Alright, bro, how you feel, bro?
Got that shit done. I need that shit done, I'm not gonna lie.
Hey, when was your last oil change?
Well, every time we get that one day, when was that?
Well, the dip day, that was November 4th. What day is it? June 4th. 8 months? Yeah, how many miles did you
I don't remember. I don't know.
go? No, bro. It's 21:20 a.m. Alright, bro, get a light replacement soon?
I'm
You gonna do it? I'm gonna record you that. Oh, is it the same thing?
what do you say?